Harnessing the law of attraction can transform the way you approach your goals and dreams. This method isn't about magic, but aligning your thoughts and energy with the outcomes you desire. By adopting simple, actionable steps, you can start attracting opportunities and abundance into your life right now. The first step to using the law of attraction is to have absolute clarity about what you want. The universe responds to clear and focused intentions, so it's essential to define your goals precisely. Instead of saying, "I want to be happy," think about what happiness looks like for you. Perhaps it's financial security, meaningful relationships, or a fulfilling career. Writing down your desires can help solidify them in your mind. Be as specific as possible and include details like timelines, amounts, or other measurable factors. For instance, "I want to earn $10,000 in the next 6 months" is more actionable than "I want more money." This clarity sends a strong signal to the universe about your intentions. Visualization can enhance this step. Close your eyes and imagine living your dream life. Feel the emotions associated with your success, whether it's joy, pride, or gratitude. These emotions create a powerful energetic frequency that attracts similar vibrations from the universe, and your beliefs play a significant role in how the law of attraction works for you. If you carry doubts or negative thoughts about your ability to succeed, you're creating resistance. To truly manifest your desires, you need to align your beliefs with your goals. Start by identifying limiting beliefs. These might include thoughts like, "I'm not good enough," or "I don't deserve this," and challenge these beliefs by replacing them with empowering affirmations. For example, "I am worthy of success," or "I have everything I need to achieve my dreams." Repetition is key to changing your mindset. Say these affirmations daily, especially during moments of doubt. Over time, your subconscious mind will internalize these positive messages, making it easier for you to align with your desires. The law of attraction isn't just about wishing for what you want, it requires action. Inspired action means taking steps toward your goals while trusting that the universe will guide you. This could be as simple as researching your desired career path, networking with like-minded individuals, or saving money for a future investment. Pay attention to signs and opportunities that align with your intentions. Sometimes the universe presents chances in unexpected ways, so staying open and flexible is crucial. For instance, a casual conversation might lead to a business opportunity or an idea that sparks your next big project. Consistency is vital. Even small actions, when taken regularly, create momentum. Each step builds on the last, bringing you closer to your goals and demonstrating your commitment to the universe. Gratitude is a powerful amplifier for the law of attraction. When you focus on what you already have and express appreciation, you shift your energy to a state of abundance. This shift attracts more positive experiences and opportunities into your life. Make gratitude a daily habit. Each morning or evening, list 3 things you're thankful for. These could be simple, like a supportive friend or a delicious meal, or more significant, like a recent achievement or an unexpected opportunity. Pair your gratitude practice with visualization. As you reflect on what you're thankful for, picture your life continuing to expand in these positive ways. This combination strengthens your connection with the universe and reinforces your belief that more good things are on their way. Trusting the process is often the hardest part of using the law of attraction. Patience and faith are essential because manifestations don't always happen on your timeline. When you start doubting or questioning, you create resistance that can delay your results. Remind yourself that the universe is always working in your favor, even if progress feels slow. Sometimes delays occur because the universe is aligning circumstances to bring you the best possible outcome. During these moments, focus on what you can control, your actions, mindset, and energy. A meditation can help you cultivate trust. Spend a few minutes each day quieting your mind and reconnecting with your intentions. This practice reduces anxiety, keeps you grounded, and strengthens your belief in the process. Resistance is one of the biggest obstacles to manifesting your desires. This resistance often comes in the form of negative emotions such as fear, anxiety, or doubt that contradict your desires. When you focus too much on the lack of what you want or worry that it won't come, you push away the very things you are trying to attract. To release resistance, it's crucial to recognize when you're holding on to these negative emotions and consciously choose to let them go. One effective technique is to visualize yourself letting go of any fear or doubt. Imagine placing these feelings in a box or a balloon and watching them float away, leaving you feeling lighter and more open to receiving. Another technique is mindfulness meditation. By focusing on your breath and being present in the moment, you can detach from negative thoughts and redirect your energy toward positive, empowering beliefs. This practice helps you stop obsessing over the outcome and allows the universe to work its magic. Recall that when you release resistance, you create space for the universe to deliver your desires freely. Trust that everything is unfolding exactly as it should, and have faith that your desires will manifest in perfect timing. The law of attraction operates on the principle that like attracts like, meaning that your thoughts and energy influence what you attract into your life. If you maintain a positive attitude and vibrate at a high frequency, you will attract similar energy and experiences. To keep your vibration high, engage in activities that make you feel good. This could be anything from exercising, spending time with loved ones, listening to uplifting music, or practicing a hobby you love. The key is to do things that boost your mood and make you feel aligned with your desires. Be mindful of negative influences that can lower your vibration, such as negative news, toxic relationships, or self-critical thoughts. Try to limit your exposure to these things and instead focus on what makes you feel energized and positive. Also, be proactive in replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Every time a negative thought arises, counter it with an affirmation that supports your goals. For example, if you catch yourself thinking, "This will never happen," replace it with, "I am worthy of success, and everything I desire is coming to me now." One powerful way to align yourself with the law of attraction is to act as if your desires have already manifested. This means behaving and thinking as if you already have what you want. When you adopt this mindset, you begin to embody the energy of your desires, which accelerates the manifestation process. And for example, if you desire financial abundance, start acting as if you already have plenty of money. This doesn't mean you should overspend or live beyond your means, but instead act with confidence in your finances. You might invest in a new skill, plan for future investments, or create a budget that reflects the abundance you're attracting. This acting as if principle also works for relationships, health, or any area of your life. And if you want to attract a loving partner, behave in ways that align with being in a fulfilling relationship. Treat yourself with love, care, and respect, and let that energy draw in the right people. When you act as if, you send a powerful signal to the universe that you are ready and deserving of your desires. And this alignment brings you closer to what you want while helping you stay grounded in the belief that your manifestation is already on its way. Patience is a crucial element of the manifestation process. While it's tempting to expect immediate results, the law of attraction often requires time to align all the necessary elements for your desires to manifest. The universe works in mysterious ways, and sometimes the timing isn't exactly what you envision. During the waiting period, focus on what you can control, your thoughts, actions, and feelings. Instead of obsessing over when your desires will appear, trust that everything is unfolding perfectly. Remind yourself that good things take time and that the universe is always working behind the scenes to bring your dreams to fruition. And if impatience arises, turn to gratitude. When you feel frustrated by the delay, shift your focus to what you've already achieved and what is already good in your life. By appreciating the present moment, you raise your vibration and remain open to receiving more. Patience is a sign of trust. The more you trust the process, the quicker your manifestations will come. Keep your faith strong and believe that what you want is on its way. Celebrating your successes, both big and small, is an essential part of the manifestation process. When you acknowledge your achievements, you send out positive energy that invites even more successes into your life. This act of celebration also reinforces the belief that the universe is delivering exactly what you desire. Take time to reflect on each step you've taken toward your goals and appreciate the progress you've made. It could be something as simple as writing in your gratitude journal, treating yourself to a small reward, or sharing your success with friends and family. Every celebration is a recognition of your efforts and alignment with your desires. Celebrating your successes also helps you maintain a high vibration and stay motivated. When you give yourself credit for each milestone, no matter how small, you build momentum and confidence in your ability to manifest your desires. The more you celebrate, the more the universe responds by sending you additional reasons to celebrate. By maintaining a positive and appreciative attitude, you reinforce the abundance and success that is already on its way to you. By following these simple yet powerful steps, you can begin to manifest your desires with greater ease and clarity. When you clarify your intentions, stay positive, take inspired action, trust the process, and celebrate your success, you align yourself with the universe in a way that encourages the manifestation of everything you want. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights on how to live a life filled with abundance and fulfillment. Keep believing, stay aligned, and watch the magic unfold.